Go second gate. Ready. Just wait here. Just wait here. Ready. Be ready. Be ready. We're hitting.
Ito
Hold
na
on.
ako ah.
Yeah.
Tagal ni Paul.
Yeah,
Hold
watching
na.
your
Hold na.
DPS.
Hold na. Ready. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Inside us now. Blow this up. Good hit, boys.
Nice.
Kanya
Hold here. Hold here. Hold here.
Ano
Hold
sana
here.
sila eh. Di
Yeah,
pa
yeah,
cycle garden kayo rin.
Cycle fast. Cycle fast. Cycle fast. Go to
Wait,
tower.
Ready.
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 Yeah. Walk out.
Heart.
Walk out.
Ready kami ah.
Walk out.
Gago nag...
Walk out. Keep moving out. Look. Kill this guy. 3, 2, 1. Drop east on him. Drop east on him.
Ready smarted. Ay, Diyos.
Yeah, just kill.
Buhan ng puta.
You can mount up. You can mount up.
Yung mount up yung sa
Mount
likod.
sa likod.
Yeah.
Mounting up ako.
Just kill this guy. Just kill him. He's here. Drop east here.
Nice.
Is there.
North.
Ganyan.
Nice.
Ay na, nagsitakbuhan mga tanga.
Gago, ano yun?
Wala.
Gago.
Kabobohan.
Namatay yung collar,
Okay.
di ba?
Fuck, man.
Hindi niya alam.
Hindi.
Hindi nila alam part. Nakwalisyon tayo.
Teka, namatay ba si Cooks? Hindi naman. Ay, oo, patay si
Patay,
Cooks.
patay.
Gago.
Patay si
Mag-headbutt dapat sila eh.
Oo.
Napatay ko si ko.
Man.
Sabihan niyo mag-regear.
Yeah.
Here.
Bigay ko regir.
Ano?
Okay.
Hindi nila alam part. Kwalisyon tayo.
Chat mo si
Fight.
Cooks.
Punta sila sa
Round
castle.
Cooks.
Parang nagugustuhan ko na mag-spirit hunter ah.
Round 2. Ask ko na round 2. Orios.
Diyan ang
So,
muna
isang
sa
papalit ako.
Si Cooks, yung collar nila.
Join party.
Wala akong bag.
Bigay ko round 2, you have more people naman. Sabi.
Asa si ano tawa? Yun, may hairs na. Cleaning. Ganda ng headbutt natin.
Sige.
Hindi nga siya
We need
head.
more healers. Lexi could stay like that as long as we get more healers. I think 2 more
Yes.
healers.
Basag nga lang gate natin 30 minutes sa
Let's
mga
go.
850.
Bilis, oh.
Hindi na ata mabubuo yan eh. Mabubuo. 9 minutes remaining. Less.
Okay naman.
Magkakagit
Battle
tayo.
na tayo.
Blob coming.
So,
Southeast.
Sino yan? Look, there's another blob. Stay with me.
Check DA. No, that's it.
That's at us.
Okay.
Namiss ko tuloy ito. Kutang ino.
Uy, 1 to people na mag-start.
Napinig ko yung...
Wag lang tayo masyadong confident boys. Respect engages pa
Look, we only have 1 healer. Don't be stupid, okay?
We have 2.
Fixed roll lang.
Curious. Hindi.
No. Hindi healer sila.
Luxury.
Papalit.
Pick roll.
Pa-fix roll lang guys. Fix roll please.
O pala.
Ah, G pala to.
GA.
GG.
Hindi, yung block?
Nagkodigra yan,
Tignan mo, dito tulong yan.
Sige,
Eh,
inaantay sila. Saan ba nakabahay si DJ? Portal?
Need more.
Si Cooks pala yung collar na ito.
More fix roll more.
Sa Tedford lang yung ano eh. CDG.
Nasa all rest pa ako. Si Zeric, gusto niyang kinakalaban yun. Sinapoops.
Ano pinagkaiba ng ano to? Requite sa Judy ng Force Shield.
Sila ba yung nasa southeast? Sino tong Messi?
Namimigay ng mute. Gago.
May 3 pang tao sa HO.
Sige.
I'm scout enemy. The fuck? What?
I'm scouting enemy.
The fuck.
Refill
Lux,
food ba or no need?
Can you fix your roll, please? Sammy, we are not brawling. We're kiting. If you could use
Fight
other
lang,
weapons.
boys.
I need healer and then wailing maybe. Wailing. We have 2 jackets. First jacket should be Serious Frank. Second jacket should be Dark Blue.
Nawala occult mo.
It should be fine. As long as we have the castle, we should be fine.
Yes.
Ano gamit?
Ganun ba ulit discard natin, Urios? Ikot-ikot tayo dito.
Yeah.
Gonna go around the castle.
Perks.
Yeah, perks is on battle mount.
Don't go out DPS, ha?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need one more healer here. If you could.
Need talaga. May tatlo.
Rat
Maybe
collar.
Nishi?
I don't know where GE is, but
Meron tayong rootbound dito, si Barosta, Urios. Ito.
oh really?
Yeah.
Wala
Dito sa second
kang
gate.
skill sa helmet mo, Barosta.
Ang bait mo. Helmet
English
skill, bro.
yan, Mishi. Si Sammy.
Cool down.
Di ba Barosta yung Battle Mount Rider natin?
Oo,
Yes.
si Barosta.
Yes,
yan.
yes, yes.
Long time no see. Kung siya nakita ulit.
Sumasama
Barosta,
siya. hindi
helmet
siya
skill mo,
nagbabali-
Barosta, ha?
Hindi siya nagbabattle man.
Ganda na pull ni Uris kanina, na-pick sila.
Andito si Barosta sa ano?
Di ba? Saka na isang
Ay, ganda.
hilera.
Yung
Imo
fake
na.
palang, although yung fake palang ano na
Di muna, Fulcrum, sabay Demon.
Yeah, we're gonna need more healers here. Hold on.
Kita ko yung pull, putang na, nag-cleric sila.
Okay lang yan kahit di mo tapusin yung imo.
I-drop mo lang early. Pag mag-engage siya si Urios.
Andyan pa ba
Background
sila?
lang naman.
Andyan pa ba sila? o Wala. Sila.
Pero kagi nag-single brain cell moment na yung lahat kanina doon sa engage. So, kakong ganda. Promise.
Sabi ng caller.
Barosta fix room.
Round 2.
Inside,
Listen,
inside.
listen, boys. We're going to play boldly today. Okay. I just really need you to like up your defenses. Demon armors be on point. We have 2 demon armors and then 1 root bond. We should be fine with it. As long as we do syncs. Okay. Don't do decent, please. Oh man, we really need one more healer.
Ang ina mo talaga, Dipo.
Kita mo.
Tipo. Tipo.
Baka out of nowhere ka.
Tipo kasi.
Yan ako kasi. Lagi yan talaga.
Tipo kasi.
Pag masarap na bading ganyan. Ay, di pala ako bading.
Look. I think we kinda need.
Kasi 2,000 healer to boss eh.
Naka-brawl club pala itong mga to.
Oh, andyan na sila.
Sino yan?
Sila pa
AFK ba yung tank dito?
Ako yan, ako.
Why don't need me?
Sino yung tank dito sa southeast? Hindi sa salita.
Ako yan, ako yan.
Master yan,
Ako yan.
Si Master ba yan? Sino yan, Master?
Dalawang
Sila pa
perma.
din.
Nice! Dalawang perma.
8 lang sila dito.
Oh. Ayan, sila pa rin?
Ako
Kuti Chris pa rin?
Sapi.
Gary Group ata.
Tago ako
Perks.
dito.
Perks, baka gusto mo mag-battle mat for Koa next season.
Ito pala dito engage oh.
Yun,
Diretso.
Ito lang.
Wag, binuhat kami niyan. Tangina. Lakas niya, gago.
Sino?
Ito.
Ano yan? Yung sa Valorant?
Oo.
Sino? Itong Messi?
Oo, malakas yan.
Ito ba yung Ito ba yun?
Last game nag-jet ata siya.
Baka Ascendant yun.
Imo ata.
Imo? May imo sa kanila eh.
Imong mama.
Luging-lugi.
Ay,
Imong mama.
Imo mo rin.
Imo mo rin.
Pangalan sa Steam.
Imo mo rin.
Yeah, Apex Scout. We need one more healer. Please, somebody shake to healer.
Ako, pag namatay, swap healer.
Wag. Kailangan yan.
Hindi, pag namatay nga, isang set na lang to.
Wala ako ng second po, Dorius.
Yeah, somebody's bonking southwest gate. Come. I-hit mo nga, Black Map. Hit mo lang. Don't go yet.
Wag na.
Hit mo lang.
Never mind. Mamaya na lang.
Aluin
Come
mo.
west now. Come southwest now. Look, come southwest.
Barosta, uy, gago.
Come southwest. Look. Wala pang color to. Come south fast. Come south fast.
Ito lang.
Dito ako sa
Southwest,
South,
Mori. Southwest nga. Southwest. Ito.
Ayan.
Wala pang color to.
Ginagawa mo, Bogart.
Healer yung isa eh.
Look. Putang ina. Drop E. Just drop E. Just kill him now. Anong ginagawa nito?
Yan.
Punta ko eh. As long as I'm here, you're done.
The fuck is he
Oh,
doing?
yan. Demon for flex.
Ay, depo nyo. Depo lo.
Ito
Oo.
nga, Mori. Itong ina mo.
Mishi, thank you for suggesting.
Pare.
Sa Bogart pala yan.
Sige lang, okay lang.
Yun na yan.
Kilala ko na.
Gagugunin mo lahat. May bag ka.
Yo, they're bonking East Gate. Come in. Look.
Bogart the first.
Ano ka na ng boots?
Ano nagagawa ng mga to?
Pilit na lang i-rat. Farm natin.
East gate sa Naro?
Hindi.
Ha? Ano? Naro?
Naro, ba't ka napunta sa Naro?
May nagsapak nito, tamo.
Hindi, yun yung pinaka east gate. Oh.
Sige lang, Mishi. At least.
Nagawa na. Ayun no. 97%.
Ito ba ang sinasabi mo? Dito sa taas?
Ito.
Suwi?
Ito.
Hindi, ito.
Hindi, ito. 97% eh.
Ah,
Dapat 100 na to eh.
Tangin na wala tuloy silang RB.
tanga naman nun. Dapat tank na lang pinag-scout nila.
Kaya malala na, nag-hammer siya, dismounted.
Hindi, hinitatan yung box map din eh. Put.
Yung
Oo
pinalo,
nga.
di nakapag ano.
Oo nga.
Ilagay mo.
Kaya dapat, scout lang.
Nawala yung
Legit.
box.
Natagalan pa tuloy sila
Mahal pa ng
mag-rebandan
RB
niya.
gago.
Hindi,
Basag.
iniisip ni Cooks yan, more time naman daw eh. More time, may nakamas
Tagasan ba itong mga Kudigra na to? Layo ata ng rigir nila.
Thetford lang yan.
Thetford Porta.
Tedford yan. Malayo talaga.
Babalik daw ba sila?
Ko alam eh, nandito pa
Hindi
sila eh.
Hindi nagre-reply si Cooks.
8 pa sila dito.
Lim sila, Barosta? Talaga? Di ba Startes yung Lim?
Baka nag-rebind na kasi umabot dito eh. Kaya. Wait, I'll just get extra food. Just continue watching, okay?
May isa pang CDG dito on the ping, oh. Never mind. Nag-mount up.
Ano to? Nanggagank na lang. Ano ba to? Nagawa nila?
Autistic yung mga CDG na nandito, gago. This mountain, nagpe-fame farm open world. Alam na may mas. Paano pag namat? Ano yan?
No? Tapos ang layo ng rigger. Hello.
Alay na rigir. Uy.
But we got members like that, you know? May mga members
Well.
na ganun.
True.
Okay, fine.
I can agree.
Guys,
Depo mo na yung
CTG.
tawa.
Ay, gago, may blob na. Come south.
Oh, shit.
Huwag na, huwag na.
Kuha pa lang ako ng second pod eh. Ito. Fuck.
Di pa naman tayo nag-OC.
Sino yan?
Food.
Can somebody see?
Ayun na, si Master.
Oh.
Papunta na.
Meeting stone.
Meeting stone. Ilan di part?
Di.
Yeah, okay, come.
Na.
Gago malaki.
Na.
Hindi, okay lang yun.
Anong comp nila part? Brawl, World Cup, Club.
Looking.
Alay nila. Oh.
Tara sa
Brawl
lubongin.
club to, bro.
Eh,
Yeah, is that their ally?
Si Perks, meron kang ano, may bihi ka na, Orius.
Yeah,
Si
I
Perks.
see.
Brawl
Tama
club.
ba sila ng ano?
Come on the first gate. Yeah. Come down. All of you. This month.
This month lang, Orius.
Yeah, come north. Yeah, not. Food OC. Yeah, OC. Go east gate. Be ready. They're trying to look here. Andito na siya. Yung color nila.
Yeah.
Go east tower. Ready. East tower.
Stay here.
Walk. Wait. Actually, wait. They're looking. Ready. East tower. 3, 2, 1. East tower now. Tower now. We miss. Come back.
Tipo,
Yo,
tipo,
be ready. Hold them by the front. Okay, good job.
Pasal ka ng konti deep ah.
Yeah, they're
Go, go,
looking, they're looking, they're looking.
GA.
Def.
Ready,
Nice.
ready.
Ready, East Tower, East Tower, East Tower, guys. Look at me, East Tower. Look at me by the East Tower. Ready, just wait. Ready, East Tower. 3, 2, 1, East Tower now, East Tower now. Okay, come back. Yeah, come back. Okay, go, everybody get in first. Go second gate. Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Let me know cooldowns, boys. Let me know cooldowns.
Long cooldown.
Hindi kami nakapag-drop.
No, just wait. Ready. You're gonna headbutt. Look at me. Southeast. 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Blow this up. We missed. Come back. Okay, you're fine. Yo, can you Q and W the people? Okay, never mind. Ready. Over the wall. Let me know cooldown, boys.
Ready.
Di ba pagkano ka na Orius?
Yo, they're looking.
Yap. Na-J ko.
Come back. Go second gate. Go third gate.
Nagbabasag sila sa akin dito sa baba, Orius.
Yeah.
Pwede ka mag-over the wall.
Yeah. Just wait. Yo, actually click out. Be ready. Don't go too close. Okay, be ready. Ready, over the wall on me. 3, 2, 1, on me now. Hit.
Gago.
Putang ina, Spirit Hunter, yun, no?
Sorry.
Spread. Yeah, you're fine. They're coming. Nice stops. Ready, defense. Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Heal me. Okay, good job. Let me know cooldown. Yo, come. Be ready. You're gonna hit over the wall. Just wait here. Just wait. Yeah. Just wait. Ready. On cooks, under collar. 3, 2, 1. Killer collar now. Putang ina, bobo.
Pahingi ako ng ano,
Yo.
dito sa aiming.
Wait. No, they're looking. Wait. Hold on. Spread.
14. Long
Yeah.
cooldown.
Go to the suicide. Actually, here. Dito, northwest ko. Stay here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Be ready. Look at me. DPS. Be ready.
Ready.
Yo. Ready. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. On me. And then come back. They're trying to walk in.
IGA.
They're trying to walk in. Ready. Help me.
Jacket.
Heal. Okay. Walk. Everybody walk a little bit.
Ready kami, ready.
Yeah. Wait now. Just wait. QW inside you. Yeah, ready.
Looking.
Ready. Look at me. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Blow this up. Nice. Good hit. And then come back. You're fine. Yeah.
My knight armor.
You're fine. Just wait, boys.
Yeah.
Heal me over the wall. Yeah. Yo, spread. You guys, you're clumping up. Spread. Let me know cooldown. Okay. Just wait.
Ready.
Bullet this guy. Look at this.
They're looking.
Hold on. Bully him inside you. Look, they're looking. Just wait. Ready on me. Crown. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. And then come back. Yeah, come back. Come back. All the way back. Yeah, all the way back. Gig. Ready. Over the wall. Come. Let me know cooldown.
Ready na.
Ready.
Yeah. Hold on. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Crown. Hit the crown. Okay, we're late.
Hanggang magpahila yung...
I need this.
Jacket.
Yeah.
Jacket and heals.
Pakihil si...
Yo, heal your front. Okay, good job. Let me know cooldown. Yo, step out.
Ready. Spirit Hunter.
Just wait. Yo, don't go northeast. Southwest lang, guys. We're kite comp. Hello? Be ready over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. And then come back. All the way back. Yeah.
On the gate.
Yeah, all the way back. Nice, good job.
First sila lahat, Orius.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Fail. Yo, walk. Walk in. Yeah. Just wait.
Ready.
Yeah, just wait. You're gonna hit the choke. Ready? On the choke. Gig pot. On the choke. 3, 2, 1. Choke now. Hit. And then come back. Oh my god. Come back fast. Peel. Nice stops. Good job.
Yep. My stop.
Be ready. Def. Heal Argo.
Yep, I'm good.
Okay, get inside first. Stabilize, everybody. Stabilize.
Ah, shit. Tik na ako dun.
We're gonna need more healers. Ay, namatay si Barosta.
Mag-redemption ako. Kasi isang...
Yeah, okay.
Mana.
Yo, ready. Look at me. You're gonna shallow on this J. 3, 2, 1 on this J now. Okay, come back. 3, Cycle fast, cycle fast, cycle fast, cycle fast.
Jackatan mo. First jacket, dark blue. Second jacket, Cyrus.
Saan ka dipo?
Let me know cooldown, let me know cooldown. Let me know cooldown, let me know cooldown.
Ready,
2
ready.
seconds soon. 2.
Go north side, go north side, go north side. Go to the carpet, go to the carpet. Listen, listen. Wait now, wait now. Hold. Yo, you're gonna witch work engage on the crown, ha? Sa crown kayo tumama. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Crown now, crown now, crown now, crown now, crown now. And then come back. Give me guard runes when we're hitting.
They're trying to go, forcing
Tap,
engage.
Tap.
Pahil.
Heal me. Okay, good job. Ready, let me know cooldown,
5.
Ready, ready.
Tumama sa harap.
Ikaw nag-guard yung kay Urios,
Ready.
Argo.
Yeah, ready on the J. 3, 2, 1. On the J, east. Mori, late ka. Let me know cooldown.
I need heals.
Long.
May knight armor. Forcing engaging sila ulit.
Yeah, they're looking.
Jacket, Cyrus, ha?
Let me know cooldown.
5 seconds.
Long.
Nag-engage na.
10 seconds.
They miss on me.
Heal party.
Pahil party heal.
Look. Let me know cooldown. Ready?
GA to
Ready?
Ready.
Walk on me. East. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On me now. On me here. Blow this up. Nice, good hit. Kabak. Heal me. Somebody heal me. Okay, good job.
Wala silang engage, ha?
Yeah. Be careful. The gate's about to break. The gate's about to break. Hold on. Just wait. Ready? Look at me. Just wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Crown now.
Nice hit.
Yeah, and then go west side. Go west gate, boys. West gate.
May knight armor.
Yeah. West gate. West gate.
check it.
Okay, they missed. Walk. Everybody walk. Heal Green Bull. Everybody walk. Inside. Look. Inside us. Wait now. Inside us. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then come back. Go. Click out. Okay, just wait.
Pahil lang na yung mga tanks nyo, guys.
Ayun na, after, Cyrus.
Ready.
Ready? Shallow on me. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Blow this up.
Butas.
Nice, good hit. And then come back.
We need
Net armor
mana
on
near
the gate.
DPS.
Come back. Just wait. Okay, just wait.
Long cooldown.
Just wait, boys. Yeah, I know. Just wait. Just wait. They're pushing in. Let me know cooldown.
3 seconds.
Ready.
Okay, ready. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. On me now. On me here. Nice, good job. And then come back. Be careful. They're hitting. Oh my God, Barosta.
Yes.
Let me know cooldown. Heal me.
Long.
10
Ready,
seconds.
ready.
10 seconds.
Guardians on Arius,
Long
ha?
ako.
Ready.
Wait.
Yeah, okay. Hold on.
Ready.
Okay, ready.
Ready. On me. 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Nice.
And then wait. They're gonna try and push in. Back. Def. Mishi.
Majay.
Heal on that.
Kuha ka muna ng heal.
Green ball pa
Ready, Spirit Hunter.
Heal.
Look. Wait now. Wait. Just wait. Okay, just wait.
Pahil ako. Thank you.
Ready. Just wait. Look at me. Crown. Look at me. Crown. 3, 2, 1. Crown now.
Nice one.
Mori, napaka-late mo talaga mag-drop. Oh my God. Look, they're looking. Def.
May black pearl
Yo.
sa likod nila.
Yeah, I know. Look. Kill this guy. Kill him. Kill his ass. Yo, Cox is back. Ready. Wait here. Hold here. Look. Look at me. Walk. Click in. QW this guy. Ready. Just wait. QW. Look at me. On the gate. Over the wall. Look at me. Over the wall. Wait. Just wait. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Blow this up. Nice, good hit. And then come back, boys. Let me know cooldown. Look, they're dying here. Yo, walk in. Walk in. Everybody walk in. Just walk in. Let me know cooldown. Ready, gate. Choke. 3, 2, 1. Choke. Nice, good hit. Look, we're wiping everybody here. Look, QW inside you. Demon inside. QW.
Be stuck here.
I know.
This is
I know. Yeah. Stay with me. Stay inside. Look, they're looking. Hold here. Hold. Ready. Look at me. Headbutt on the gate. 3, 2, 1. Gate now. And then come back. All the way back. They're looking. Let me know cooldown.
Long,
Yeah.
long.
Go back, boys. Go back. Please go back. Ready. Yeah. Ready. Look at me. On me. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. Blow this up. My God. Okay, come back. Stay with me. Yo, if you dead trigger, I need more healers here. Master ko namatay ka mag-heal.
Pa-invite Torres. Ako healer. Redemption
Long
na.
cooldown na.
Yo, walk.
Call lang kami
Yeah, walk. Just walk here.
Mag-healer na lang ako, no?
Is that on the north side, Orisa?
Oh. Yeah. Okay, stay with me here. Come west side.
Yung babalik kasi.
Yo, bakit may DPS dun sa north? Sino yan? Come west. Look.
Si Cyrus
Okay.
Frank may ano
It's
ata.
mounted Bisdak sa southwest gate, Orisa.
Yeah, come west.
DCR.
RB. May
Okay,
RB ka naman si Doc.
Come back east.
Wait lang. Mounted pa yung iba.
We all stay in the middle. Perks, pa-trade muna ako, Perks.
G is coming. Nice. We have Boiling Bomb and Shaper Bomb. Okay pa na yun dun sa Bisdak sa west, ha?
Narrow
Sabi ko,
sila. So,
tapos na kayo mag-trade.
CDG going narrow.
Tumatiming itong Bisdak Orius.
Is it? Are they going Naros? Yo, come east.
Yeah, sige, Naro.
Actually, come back. Look. Yeah. Come back. Come fast. Ready. Look. We're gonna fake here. Look. Hold now. Just wait. Ready on the gate. 3, 2, 1. Gate now. Blow this up. Nice, good hit. Color dead again. Yeah, yeah, I know. Just wait here. Color dead. QW inside. Kill him. Yeah, just kill him. Just kill him. Okay, come back. Yo, kill him now. Okay, come back. Stay with me. Stay in the middle here. Look, most likely they're gonna handle it. Yeah.
On the heart.
Comes out. Yeah. Comes out.
Nag-mount up.
Come west here. Catch them now. Yeah, catch them now. Look at me. Look at this guy. Look at him. Yo, just stay here. Look. Ready. Look.
Sige, Orius.
Yeah, ready. Just kill him.
Ng color.
Yo, come back. All of you, come back. Come back 30s.
Already
Look.
dismounted. DA check 5.
Yeah. Comes out east. Stay middle. Yo, bakit may mga AFK, may mga nasa Terry? Come north here. Come north fast. Come north fast. Look. Come north, boys. Look. Spread inside, okay? Go on the west side. Wait now. Ready, choke. Look at me. Crown. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Choke now. Hit the choke. Good job. And then take the west side. Take the west angle. Take the west angle. Look. You're gonna kill him here. You're gonna kill them here. Look, keep walking. Hold now. Ready. Just wait. Ready. And then ready. On me. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. And then go back. All the way back. Yeah, all the way back. Ready gig. Def. Oh. Guys, putang ina, please, paki-defend yung harap ko. Asan yung lens? Green Bull, mag-ano ka nga muna, mag-defensive tank ka.
Nandito siya dito.
Go back, you're fine. Bakit gago?
Come.
Stop na second gate.
Follow the heart, guys.
Dito guys, middle carpet tayo muna.
Just hold.
Middle carpet muna, boys. Hold lang muna.
On the...
Look, my God, you fuckers, bro. Come. What are they doing?
Holding.
Nasa loob sila.
They're fighting in the middle?
May
No, 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 no.
Nakap,
Yung Bismarck
nakap.
nasa west pa rin.
Hindi, wala.
Wala.
Kinakap pa.
Na-reset
I mean-
yung castle.
Na-reset yung castle.
Natin? So may ano na tayo. Okay.
Oo.
Sige, inside.
Make it.
Yeah, stay inside. Stay inside.
Pero nasa gitna yung Cop de Grey.
Na-stop
Yeah. Try to stop them. Poke damage.
Malabas na
Okay,
sila dyan, ha?
Ready boys, ready dito.
Care. Oh my god,
Ready
guys.
to you.
Oh yeah, got kill.
Be careful guys.
Nabam sila, nabam.
Sundan nyo yung
Nabam ng G.
Binam ng GE.
Okay. Come west side. And yo, stay with me. Hold here. Dismount. Stay with me. Hold them now. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. Nice, and then finish kills. QW. Yo, finish the ones here. Look at them. They're fucking dogs, bro. Like, just loot them up.
West side, Orius kaka-engage na sa akin.
Yeah, yo, there's one more guy. DPS, come inside.
Away,
Look,
middle carpet na sila, Orius. Pumasok na
look at me, DPS. Look at me, please. Hello. You fuckers, come to me. Kill this guy, bitches, please come. And then come northwest to the Sui. What the fuck?
Sa southwest sila ng carpet, Orius.
Yeah, come. Careful here. They're looking. That's fake. Def. Gig. Walk in. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Crown. Blow this up. And then take space. Goes outside. Heal me. Goes outside. Wait, yo, actually, wait. Hold on. Just wait. Tank step in.
Yup.
Tank step in. Careful.
Don't cool down.
Careful. Yeah, careful. Look. Spread. Careful. Be ready with your defense, ha. They're trying to look in. They're looking. Dip. Walk. Everybody walk. Walk and roll. Ready, look at me. Crown. Look at me on the crown. 3, 2, 1. On your crown now. Spread now. Come, go back east. Spread. They're looking here. They're looking. Spread out. Look. Walk in. Let me know cool down.
Ready.
Look on the choke. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. On me. Blow this up. And then spread out. Dip. Yo, keep walking in. They're running. Keep walking in. Reset lang. No. Ready. Look at me. Over the wall. Gig pot. Everybody. 3, 2, 1. No. Hit.
Tulak.
Nice.
You look. Finish them all. Kill them all.
Ito pa.
Yo, keep walking. Kill everybody you see.
Yung 6-3.
Huwag niyo ibang
Ito caller, oh.
guys.
Mayad. Caller yun.
Ito, 3, 2, 1. Trap dito. Shit, nakatalon.
Slow nyo.
Sayang
Slow.
Ha?
QW. Nice one.
Chat ikaw.
Gago, panalo tayo doon. Let's go.
Last
We
hit
do
po
it
to,
right,
Reza.
we win.
May down sa sa may carpet dito.
Tatay nyo.
Kalabang. Pag kalabang, patayin mo na.
Ping if you're chasing someone.
Sa may west guys, sa west. Ping ni Orius. Kailangan DPS doon.
Mantap.
May nag-dismount na healer dito. Tara, more DPS.
Nice kayo, boys.
Ano daw yan?
Come. They're going to the
Barod.
they're going to the Ava Road. Come fast.
In combat yan, di ba?
Well, hindi. Makaka-road sa atin.
Kunin nyo yung slot. Agad, 5. Pasok kayo.
Papasok na ako.
Hindi, makakapag-zone din siya. Makakapag-mount up.
Hindi, kung kukunin nyo kagad yung 5, hindi makakapasok
So,
yun.
nandito na yung ano.
Yan, nakuha na. Naka-mount up na.
Mount up, mount up. Come back to the castle.
Hindi po muna ako
Ayan
bisa.
ang
Wala ko
laban. Ang saya ng laban.
Saya.
Dedepo ko lang din to.
Ay, depo yung lot may lot sa raw.
Yup.
Patay
Ay,
kayo.
God.
Namuri, wag na.
reminders.
Anong wag na?
Ang aga pa.
Bas pa lang ako, food.
Anong wag? Ba, inorigger ko ta dyan.
Huwag na mo.
Meron pa dito.
Sa akin na to.
You can kill this.
Okay, iyon na. Norigger ka.
Wala na.
Buong buwan.
Ay, you can dismount there. Hindi pa
Wait,
lang.
wait, wait,
Dismounted ako dito. Dismounted ako dito.
Sige.
Nag-west.
Ping, ping, ping.
Nag-west na. Nandito na.
Tuazon, setong ka sa Echo para ano, hindi ka ma...
Putang ina mo ka. Outlook ko pala.
Yo, Mogo's coming. Come castle, come castle.
Shit.
Shit, I need food, man.
Mori.
Sige.
Eh, shit. Pwede pa pala.
100 lang ako.
Double OC yung iba ah.
Double OC, please. Double OC, look. Double OC.
Wait lang, kuha muna akong giga. Wala na pala akong giga.
25% ako.
Tangina, nandyan na.
Look, they're here. Come fast.
Never mind.
Guys, come. Bakit may mga papunta pang HO? Come. Oh my God.
Moving.
Ako, dismounted. Hindi ako makatuloy dyan.
Oh my God, guys.
Dito.
West tayo daan ah.
I can't fucking
Yeah,
sleep.
going west ka ko.
Look, go inside. We fight them in the second gate.
8 DA.
Wala bang may giga sa
Carter,
inyo?
Sonoras, please.
Look at me. Over the wall. 3,
Kailangan ng giga.
2, 1. Over the wall. Oh, tangina. Wala akong DPS. Kasi asa na kayo? Let me know cooldown.
Ready.
May giga ako, may
Walang
giga ako. Rate mo ako, Paul.
First jacket
Wait
of
ako.
blue.
Sino yan? Sino yung trade?
Defense
Control,
ready,
control,
defense
control.
ready, defense ready.
West ready.
Lapit na.
Ready over the wall. Look.
Giga.
Play mo na.
Nice.
Yes.
Wait, just wait.
5 seconds cooldown.
Ready over the wall. Wait. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. No. Hit.
Heal or you.
Come back.
May J.
Yeah. Let me know cooldown.
Long cooldown. Walang jacket.
Long cooldown. 10 seconds.
Hindi ulit sila. Wala na.
Yeah. You're gonna hit the gate. Look at me. Let me know cooldown.
7.
3. Ready.
Ready, crown. Hit your crown. 3, 2, 1. Crown now.
Okay.
Spirit Hunter Ninja. I-hit mo yung crown, puta.
Hindi, kanina
Yung
sabi mo,
front hit mo
ano, gate eh. Sorry.
Crown. My God.
Yeah, fake.
Ready, you're gonna hit the gate, okay? I'm not gonna make a clap.
4
Yeah.
seconds.
Okay.
Just wait.
Ready.
Gate 3, 2, 1. Gate now. Load this up. Then come back. Go second gate.
Jacket now.
May night armor. That's a fake. Gawin na yung may engage nila. Here it comes.
Ready.
Wala.
Ready, look at me. Go northwest. Ready, on me. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. Why are we suddenly no damage?
CD.
Jacket.
Let me know.
Walang
Yeah,
foot,
let me know cooldown.
Yung GA nila Oris ito.
Long,
Sa
long.
Southeast.
Seconds, long cooldown.
You can jacket
10
now.
seconds.
Asan si Sirius, Frank? Look, come out.
Jacket
Come out. Ready, you're over the... Okay, come out. Ready, go east tower. Okay, come back. No. Come back.
Ready now. Huwag ka muna mag-jacket.
Ready.
Cyrus, antayin mo si Dark Blue na makapag-
Go east tower, boys. Go east tower.
First jacket, Dark Blue, okay? After-
Ready. You're gonna hit from the east tower. I'm not gonna make a clump, okay? Ready. Okay, just wait. Okay, they're pulling out.
Palis
I don't
sila.
know why. Yeah, stay with me.
Pinupul tayo.
Yeah.
Dipo. Dito ka ba?
Yeah, dito ako,
Para
dito.
makapit kita.
Yeah.
Hindi kita makapit.
Yeah. My God.
They're seeing GE. That's why they're going.
Look, comes out. Help GE here.
Yep, I got my guard on there. That's a fake also.
Ready, look at me. 3, 2, 1. On me now, on me now, on me now, on me now. Blow this up.
Pwede
Come
guard.
back, come back, come back. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're
Dark
fine.
first, right? Dark
Palip yung ally. Bomb natin sa west.
Yeah, up our allies. Let me know cooldown, let me know cooldown. Go east tower now, go east tower now, go east tower now.
5.
Ready na lahat? Okay, wait, just wait.
Five.
I'm not gonna make a clump, okay? You're gonna hit the perma. Ready. East tower, 3, 2, 1. East tower now, east tower now, east tower now, east tower now. Late lahat, putang ina.
May knight armors on the gate.
They're looking. Mm.
They miss.
May jacket na. Dark.
Let me know cooldown. Nice Jay.
7.
Perma ready.
Ready.
Nice black mob.
3.
Ready.
They have 2 engages on
Yeah. Ready. You're gonna hit me. Use your purity robes. Just wait. Do we have spike even? May spike ba tayo?
Wala.
Wala. Yun yung reason bakit di makadelete tank.
Ready, east tower. Hold on. Go east tower.
East tower na.
Wait. Wait. Green Bull, wag ka tumabi sa akin, please. Wala kang magagawa dito. Stay with me.
Dito ka lang green ball oh, dito sa lobo. Ito, bantayan mo to. Ito. Dito ka lang. Dito sa kabilang side. Mas kita mo
Nasaan
dito.
Nasaan ako?
Nasa si Dipo.
Pero don't clamp
Huwag niyo
up.
i-crowd yung gate ha. Huwag niyo i-crowd yung gate please.
Huwag kayo magpasilip.
Ready, east tower. Look, east tower. 3, 2, 1. East tower now. Blow this up. Putang
Pwede
ina
flooding
mo.
sila sa gate.
Mori.
You're trying to hit the gate ha. Looking sila.
Yeah, look. You're gonna hit the gate next. Let me know cooldown.
Ready.
5.
Mm.
That's fake.
Ready, you're gonna hit me. Crown. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. Hit. Nice. Good job.
Nice.
Good job. Just wait. Yeah.
I
Just
got
wait.
PA on your Georius.
Just wait. Yeah. Just wait.
Nakatingin ako ng
They're looking. Again, let me know cooldown.
Ready.
Perma ready.
Yo. Ready, east tower. East tip ng tower, ha. Yung tip ng tower. Yung tip ng tower. Ready, on me. 3, 2, 1. Crown. Hit me. And then come back. Yo, go middle. Look. We're gonna try and step up. Come.
Dark. Jacket dark.
We're gonna try and step up. Hold now.
Double
They're turning. DJ has come. Look, walk. Everybody walk. QW the tanks inside you. QW the tanks that you see. Ready, on me, Crown. Look at me. Wait, Crown. 3. Wait. Just wait. Look at me. Just wait. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit this, and then come back.
Georius.
Come back.
Going east
Yeah.
pa rin sila.
You actually walk. Spread and walk. They're gonna turn soon. They're turning. Walk in. Heal me. Walk in. Heal me. Somebody heal me, please. Somebody heal me. Walk in.
Now, obvious.
Yeah, walk in. Just walk the fuck in. Ready, wait now. Just wait. Ready, look at me. Crown, shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow crown.
Looking sa'yo lahat, Georius.
And then come back. All the way back. Yo, careful south. Go northwest. Careful south. Look. Careful. Def. Walk in. They missed. Walk in. Let me know cooldown. Ready.
5.
Ready. Walk. They missed, boys. Look.
Ready.
Crown. Look at your crown. 3, 2, 1. On your crown. And then come back, all the way back. Yo, don't overshoot. Why the fuck is everybody on the east? Go northwest. Ang ina. Yo, ready your gigs. Careful north. They're looking on the north side. They're looking. Def, deepest. Let me know cooldown. Yeah. Let me know cooldown. Look, you're gonna shallow here. Look, you're gonna come back, all the way back. Look, guys, why the fuck are you rolling deep? Ready, shallow. 3, 2, 1. Crown now. On your crown. And then go back to the castle. Tang ina, sobrang retarded. Ninja, why are you there? Heal Ninja. Def. Defense. Nice GA. Oh my god. Ninja's dead. Bakit kayo nagra-rap? Bakit kayo
Nabonk, boss. Nabonk.
No, what the fuck? You're on the southeast of the enemy. Anong nabubong?
Nabonk ako kanina.
Ready.
Oh my god. I'll just show you the wood. Tang ina.
Ready, ah.
Wala tayong Spirit Hunter. Rigger and come back. Spirit Hunter.
That's fake.
Wala, yun lang yung Spirit Hunter ko.
Looking gauge sa akin. Okay.
Pwede ako mag-Spirit Hunter.
Go, fall.
Doon sa kanal. Ninja.
Healer ata yan si Paul.
Guys, wala ako. I didn't tell you to walk in. I didn't tell you to go to the back line, you know. I'm just telling you to walk. Putak ina. My God.
Dito ka, Tua Zone sa likod namin. Huwag ka dyan.
Huwag niyo i-crowd yung gate, please. Huwag niyo i-crowd yung gate.
Blade King.
Let me know cooldown. Pulse, where are you?
Coming, coming.
That's fake.
Look, listen, we're gonna headbutt. Go East Tower.
FPS follow heart.
Argo, can you open the... No, don't open it. Don't open it.
Okay, okay, okay. They're looking. Yung check up yung ano, DPS. Ayun na,
Yeah.
wrong engage. That's fake.
Ready kami ah.
Natry nila akong kunin.
Ready East Tower. Ready East Tower. Ready East Tower.
Ready, ready.
East Tower, 3, 2, 1. East Tower now. East Tower now. East Tower now.
Nice.
We missed.
That's fake. Ready main engage. Here it comes.
Black Blue Jacket. Drop.
They're looking. Def.
Wala pa. Ayun na, nag-drop na lahat.
Yeah. Let me know cooldown.
Ready.
Ready.
After
Yeah.
neto, Cyrus, ikaw na.
Ready. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Crown.
Ayun, serious, please.
And then heal me. Somebody heal me now. Nice. Good job. Oh, putang ina, Def. Nice.
Pwede kami ulit.
Shielding on you, Eurus.
3 seconds.
Sige lang, goods ka.
Oy, putang ina. May engage ba to?
Meron!
Oy, puta. Go back.
Ang heal nyo naman! Light armors on the gate. May dropping mine.
Going in sa sila.
Be careful, boys. Be
FPS,
careful.
come.
Be careful. QW this. Can we kill this? Okay, we're dead. It's dead. Okay. Stay lang kayo dyan. Care. Depth up front.
Did anybody die?
Ready on the gate? Wag na.
Wala.
Never mind.
Ready.
No, just wait. What's happening right now?
Kaka-engage lang nila sa gate. Heal up, boys. Heal up. Heal me.
Yung heal dahil ano din.
They're gonna have engage, boys. 10
Wala pa
seconds.
ng healer G.
Care.
Heal allies, please. Heal allies. Andyan na ba si Polks?
Dito na.
May color na yung GE dito. May color na yung GE.
May collar, walang healer.
I-heal nyo, guys.
Sharing is caring na
Wala siya
lang.
need mo, Donsong or healer na lang?
Eh,
Don't
wag
conquer. Go back.
We got stunned. Now they come back.
Miss na lang.
They miss their engage. They miss
Miss.
engage. We're gonna have engage 30 seconds.
So defensive ba? Nag-GA.
Sino ba
Bakit may
sa GA dito?
pumupunta sa
Or sa
chest?
akin?
Who's going to the chest? Wait, just wait.
Si Dark
Dark.
Blue.
Yeah.
Mag-AFK yata.
Why is Dark?
Dark Blue.
Yung naman nila.
Dark,
Wala
come.
kayong magawa.
Yeah, what's
Be
their
careful.
discernment?
They're looking on the gate.
7?
Oo.
They're looking on the gate, boys. Orius is here.
Na-collar din ba to?
Kanina 5
Mugo.
minutes 7.
Ha?
They're looking on the gate, ah.
May color yan si Zikol. Def. Argo.
I'm dead. Yep, I'm good. Nakapagig ako.
Look. Go southeast. Go east tower. Hold on. Actually, go west tower. Fast. Go west tower now.
Ready.
Ready, ah. Ready. West tower. 3, 2, 1. West tower now.
Ay, tabingin na.
Boost.
Oh, you're fine.
Jacket na.
Let me know cooldown.
Engaging sila.
Kasi,
May staffs on the gate.
Ready,
They
ready.
fail.
You're the next
May
jacket.
engage pa Orius,
after
may engage
this.
pa yan.
Ready kami.
Ko.
We're on the west.
Look. Wait na. Okay, go east tower.
Can somebody give? I can give you. Come here, Black Mob. Come.
Ako na lang, boss.
Pero may food ka.
Ikaw na.
Switch to.
That's fake.
Actually, go middle.
They're pulling us out, Orius.
What's their disarray? 13 tayo. Come.
Oo, si.
They're
They're gonna turn here. They're gonna turn here. They're gonna turn by the hill. They're gonna turn by the hill. Careful.
They're wrapping south ulit.
Yes, follow the heart.
Going
Yeah, yeah.
south.
Go north. Tawa, wag ka sa gitna dumaan, please.
Dito.
G is cutting them off. They're engaging on the west.
Ready. Walk. Ready. Look at me. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Shallow on me now. Shallow on me now. On me. And then take space on the west side of the crown. West side of the crown. Take space. Don't go under. Okay. Yo, QW this guy. Punish this guy. Punish him. QW.
Sabi kami.
QW. Yeah. Let me know cool down. Just keep walking. Ha. Keep walking. Yeah. Just keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Ito sila.
Keep walking. Yo, gig pot. Ready inside. Look. Gig pot. Ready. South. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then finish the kills here. Okay, come back. QW inside you. Come southwest. Let me know cool down. Yeah, let me know cool down. Yeah, wait now. Wait. Just wait. Yeah, just wait. Ready, look at me. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Okay, come back. Yo, ready defense. They're looking. Dep on the north, please. Dep on the north. Walk. Come west side. Yeah. Come west side of me. D4 again, come back. Come west side of me and then brawl the west side. Go northwest of me. Yeah. Be ready. Look at me. Southeast. Hold now. You're gonna kill the bomb squad here. Hold. Ready. Look. Come southeast deep. Ready. Boots southeast deep. 3, 2, 1. Southeast south. Crown. Nice, good hit. And then spread. Bomb inside you. Def. Guys, defense. Putang ina defense.
Okay, na-stop yung ano dito.
Look, spread out. Spread, please. Spread better. Let me know cool down. Argo. Look. You're gonna hit. Look. The bomb's here. Ready inside you. 3, 2, 1. On the bomb. Blow the bomb. And then come back. Guys, okay. Come back to the castle. Everybody. Trigger and come back.
Gonna try to
Guys,
stop yung ano, brawlers.
use your purity fucking robes. Look, they're all on melee. Bakit walang nagpi-purity robe? Come back. Help GE here. Come fast.
Sorry, may isa pang engage sa southeast na yung binabantayan ko.
Thanks. Come on, man. Like, fuck. Look at me southeast.
Turning.
Def. Come back. All of you come back. We can't hit. Look. Stop
Okay.
wrapping. Stay on the northwest side. Hold now. Look. Hold now.
Alright.
Hold now. Look at me. Look. Stay spread. Bomb on the east. Look. Green Bull.
Okay,
Bomb on the
okay.
east. Bomb squad yan, Boss Green. Oh. Kita mo yung east side mo. Yan lang i-focus mo. Please. Jesus Christ, man.
Dito ka na sa harap ako na dyan, Green Bull. Let me take care of it.
Stay with me. Look. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. Why do I have bear paw on my
Sa likod na Orius yung bomba nila. Likuran ng Zerg nila. Wrapping south. Babantayan ko lang. Ito nasa southeast Down the hill. Wrapping sila ng south. Na-GA ko to sa south. Putang ina, namatay din yung kakama. Never mind.
Where are you, my guys? Like, come back, please.
Hey.
I'm waiting for
Sa
regears
likod lang
here.
ng Zerg nila.
Yeah, just wait. I'm waiting for regears here.
Yeah,
Look,
dito
are you
na
ready?
part-
Food and OC, come southeast. Come east side. Look, they're gonna try and run now. Come east. Look, they're gonna turn here. Hold on.
Wala na ako mata sa bomba.
Yeah.
Orius,
Come. Look, Zekal's looking. Come by the choke. Ready? You're gonna hit the choke without my clump. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Choke now. And then come back, everybody. Let me know cooldowns. Yeah, let me know cooldowns. They're walking in. He's walking up. They're walking in. Def now. Yo, walk in. Walk. No, hold the choke, please. Hold the choke. Somebody hold the choke. Ready. Just end of the bridge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On me here. Come back. Yeah, look. Kill their color here. Look at the mark. Skull mark. Kill their color. Kill him. QW. It's color dead. Look, color dead. Look.
Pwede pa.
Yeah, just kill him now. Just kill him here. Okay, come back. Ready, let me know cooldown.
Yup, my GA.
Yeah, let me know cooldown. Ready.
Arma,
Count.
ready.
Hit me on the count. 3, 2, 1. Hit me on the crown. Drop your ease on the crown.
Okay, nakapush ako dyan. Nice one. Pink color.
Keep walking. Random in now.
Ah, tas yun.
Kunin nyo yung color. KW. Kill it. Nice one.
Kill them all. Look at them. They're trying to run away. Kill them all.
Ito lang doon.
Napazone pa ako.
Same.
Do we open a castle?
Yeah, open the castle now.
Open a castle. And is everyone free to loot?
Yung officers-
Nakakuha ng GA yung ano.
Officers loot. Okay. Looting.
Nakakuha ng 4-4. Napak.
It's okay. Ping if you're chasing someone, guys. Like we just won like 4 guilds. 4 ba? 3.
4.
3. 4 guilds, 3 alliances.
This comp's really good, you know. You guys know how to operate this shit.
Almost.
Mhm.
32.
Medyo nakukulangan lang din ako ng heal sa harap.
Yeah.
Walang healers eh.
Overall. Yeah, kulang healers. Yeah. Pero overall, what more kung kompleto tayo?
Palot ako.
Yep. Magkano na lang? Treasures na lang ba?
Oo, 12, 10,
Hindi
and...
na ako pwede kumuha dyan ha. Naka-swift lang ako.
Ako din eh. Patrade ako. Ano ko eh.
Patrade mo si Doc. Papunta na dyan. Naka-horse siya.
Okay.
Come.
Magkano yung castle?
Yan, puno na ako. People loot.
Paano yun? Puta.
Taka na nalag ko yung body ko, gago. Nalag ko yung body ko, gago.
32. 32.7 to be.
Tangin ang ganda ng fight. Tapak.
True.
Enjoy ko yun.
Nilutan niyo ako nung namatay ako sa labas.
Hindi.
Nag-loot na body ko
Alim mo
kanina.
Tinan niyo yung
Lalim
death
yun.
frame ko po kayo ng
Ang lalim
1M.
Hindi naman tayo bro. Ang lalim niyo.
No.
Akin nga din eh.
Na-engagean kami lahat dun.
Sana, bobo ng kamatayan ko.
Okay ka na, Doc? May ano ka pa?
1M